Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and today I'm here with one of the most requested video, especially from my best friend Anusha, who is on the other side of the camera right now. Anusha, say hi.
Hi.
So today's video is going to be I follow someone's makeup tutorial. This trend has been going around for a while and I finally took the time to sit down and film this for you all. So today I'm going to be following, drum rolls, NIKKIETUTORIALS. She's someone I have been following since I started doing makeup, and also I have seen a lot of comments that we have kind of the similar facial structures. So it's pretty obvious that I'm going to recreate one of her looks. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this makeup tutorial slash recreating video, and let's get started. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki, and welcome to Winter Wonder Week Day 4. It's the most wonderful week of the year. Alright, so today for priming, I want to be a true Instagram legend. So I'm going to be priming using the Farsali Unicorn Essence.
I don't have that, so I'm gonna use the pie oil, and this is one of my favorite facial oil. Before going to bed, before doing my makeup, I just use this pretty much for everything. And I think I applied a lot. Doesn't matter.
For foundation today, I'm using a brand new one that I've never tried before. This is Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation.
So for foundation, what's new? I don't have that foundation as well. So I'm gonna use Milani Conceal 2-in-1 foundation, whatever it's called. So I'm gonna mix two shades. One is 11 and another is 1. It's very light, but the shade 11 is way too dark for me, so I mix those two. But usually I like to use a color corrector, but here she's not using a color corrector because she doesn't really have any hyperpigmentation like me. But well, as I'm following her tutorial, so I'm not going to use any color corrector then. And by the way, I'm using the Jands Beauty Blender to blend my foundation. So my foundation and concealer is well blended and snatched. Now let's move to the next step.
You knew this step was coming, huh? The Fit Me Loose powder in 05. I'm going to set my under eyes with that.
For baking, she used her favorite one, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, but I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Translucent powder. In this video, she did her brows off camera, so I'm gonna do that as well, and I'll be right back. Now let's start the eye makeup. Well, I'm using my Elegant Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow base.
It's by the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and it's the Fiery Orange. And I'm applying this into the crease using a Zoeva 227 brush.
So here's the orange shade that I'm going to use on my crease. And I think she is using a blending brush to apply that.
Once that is applied, I go in with the yellow and apply it just a little bit above as a softer transition.
For the yellow, I'm going to take the Smart Shot pink. I don't remember the name of this palette. I will list it in the description bar. And I'm taking this yellow color to blend out the transition shade.
Same palette, going in with the purple, and because we have a...
For the purple, I'm going to take the Sleek Ultra Matte Sweet 2 palette, and I'm going to take this shade on my crease. I can definitely see why Nikki was saying that it's gonna look very messy, because it looks very messy. Wait, hold on. So yes, it looks very messy at the moment, but I really hope that all of this comes together in the last step.
Okay, Okay, on the outer and inner corner of the lid, I'm going into the Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm applying it right there. But because we have lost all stickiness from applying the shadow over top of the base, I'm reapplying a bit of that concealer to get the stickiness back for maximum coverage.
I don't know how that's gonna go for me because I have never ever done that. Let's see. I'm using that same concealer. And for that dark blue, I'm going back to that same sleek palette and I'm going to grab this shade. And I'm lightly blending out the edges with that same brush. So the main blending of the blue eyeshadow is done. So let's move on to the next step.
I love it because it's a different twist than the usual black. Now I'm cutting the lid using a little bit of that same concealer, and I'm doing a spotlight Smokey Eye, so it's just focused on the center.
Let's do that.
Still working with the Juvia's Magic palette and taking this shade right here to set the sides of the lid that we just carved out.
For the silver, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angel eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this silver shade from it.
Now this look is finally starting to come together. It looked like a very hot mess all this time, but now we can see something coming to the horizon. And then on that center portion, I'm applying a bit of the NYX glitter primer and then finally sticking the hollow glitter over top.
Well, I don't have that hollow glitter, but I am going to use a silver glitter, and to stick that onto my lid, I'm going to use a silver glitter liner. Yes, I see this look coming together.
Smoking out that waterline using a black coal. This is by Jouer.
For the black, I'm taking this dark black shadow from the Jaclyn palette. And the eye makeup look is done.
Focusing on the face now. The bronze, next to nothing powder in medium dark. Brush, doing it.
For the glow, I'm going to use my all-time favorite highlighter. This is the Jands highlighter in the shade Rotno.
And then to finish for lips, I think it's smartest to, because this is so intense, let's focus on this and not anything else except for the glow. So I'm going to go for nude glossy lips.
And for lipstick, she went for a very pale nude. And I'm using the Colorpop liquid lipstick in the shade Calypso. And that's it guys, I had a lot of fun filming this video for you all, and I hope that I did justice to Nikki. If I did, please let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!